So now let's see how we can work around with menu sheets inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that on the top there are some menus, and at times you may want to search out for a specific menu and you may not know where they are. So in that case you can search around the menu, and to do that you can go to help. So let's say for example you want to know where the spell check feature is. So you can just type in spell, and there you go, there's the spell check right there, and it opens that up. Similarly, let's say for example you want to search where image is. I'm going to go to help. I'm going to type in image. Then you can see that you have the image options right here. You want to know where the charts are. So I'm just going to type in chart, and you can see that I can access out or insert chart or insert the drawing right here. Related things are displayed out. So similarly, like things like bold right here and everything, if you want to do that. So let's say for example, if I would type it in, you don't know where bold is, you can simply go around over there, and then there you go, bold is added onto that particular text, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the menu sets inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.